Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get stars within the Among Us game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the Among Us game on your device and log into your account, and you will be taken into the home page or the main menu. Now from the main menu, you can tap on the play button and start playing various different game modes. And as you keep on winning your game, you will win various different rewards and hopefully some stars as well. However, if you cannot wait to progress through your games to get stars within your account, then you can tap on the shop option. From the shop page, tap on the star at the top right corner and the plus icon, and you will see various different bundles that you can buy for your stars using your real world currency. Just tap on whichever option you feel is suitable for you, and then you can tap on the amount, which will guide you towards the purchase page. If you don't already have a payment method, you can tap on add credit or debit card, and you can add your payment method to link it with your Google Play account to purchase your desired amount of stars within the game. And you can use this method to purchase any of the other items that you can find within the shop as well. And there you have it. That is how you can get stars within the Among Us game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.